Exchange-traded funds are popular investment tools that allow you to buy a basket of assets in a single transaction. An ETF stands for Exchange-Traded Fund. It acts like a hybrid between a stock and a mutual fund. Because they trade on exchanges like regular stocks, you can buy or sell them anytime the market is open. ETFs are favored for their low costs, ease of use, and the ability to instantly diversify a portfolio across many companies. While mutual funds only price once at the end of the day, ETFs provide real-time pricing and are generally more flexible for retail investors. Passive ETFs often carry much lower annual fees compared to actively managed funds, which can help keep more money in your account over time. Remember that owning a wide variety of assets helps manage risk. ETFs are a simple way to achieve that balance. Thanks for watching. Always research the specific holdings of any fund before you invest. Educational content, not financial advice.